Okay, because this is going to be a complete Python course, so it is necessary to cover all part of Python, even the fundamental part. Okay, so here you're going to learn the basic of Python. If you know the basics of Python, so you don't need to go follow this section, you can move to the next section, which is changing a MAC address. So if you don't know how to use a Python, how to create a program in Python, so continue following this section. So here we are going to open our IDE, which is VS Code. Okay, I hit Windows key and search for VS Code or Visual Studio Code and open this. Okay, so just we are waiting for a while. Now it is opened and it has nothing here. Okay, I hit this part, okay, which is Explorer, and I hit Open Folder. And let's go to Document folder. Here, create another folder. Let's name it Python for ethical hacking. Okay. So this is going to be a general folder. So we could have all the section inside this folder, all the source code. Okay, so I could share them with you. And here inside this, I can create a folder by clicking new folder. And here, let's name it Python Fundamental or Python Basics. And inside here, okay, I can create a new file. Let's hit this one. It has a new file. And let's name it first.py, because it is going to be our first application or first program that we are going to run it. Okay. And here, let's go and learn how we can run our first program in Python. Okay, it is very easy. You just create your file that is here. Okay, we created, and let's go and execute a simple command that is called print, and let's print something like hello world. Okay, and use Ctrl+S to save this, and right here hit terminal and open a new terminal. Okay, here let's use Python and then hit space, the name of your file. It is first.py, and make sure that you are in the exact location where this file is located. As you see right now, we are into the document and then Python for ethical hacking. Now if I execute this, so it will not be executing because we are not the place where the file is. Now if I hit enter, it says couldn't open file. And now if I use pwd, there is a command that we already learned something about. Okay, see, it is Python for ethical hacking. So we need to change this to Python basic. Okay, so let's use Python, okay, cd Python basics, hit enter. Now let's clear this and now use Python first.py, hit enter. Now you see that hello world is here. Okay, so congratulations, you just executed your first program in Python, which was hello world. So here, I'm going to teach this Python with examples, completely practical, so you could learn this very easily and very fast. So, see you in the next lecture.